Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys, as always, are having the most amazing day. Today, guys, I have my last two mini brands Disney store editions. I have tried to find more of these in Home Bargains, but I think they're completely sold out. I was so very sad about that. But we have our last two. In one of the last videos, we got the shelf, which I am so excited for because look how cute. Super adorable. And now we're going to go ahead and open the last two that I have. So let's get right into it and open the tear strip. First one off. And then we have a second tear strip right here. And then we have our little bit at the top that we just pull out and drop all 5 compartments. I know many brands are doing things differently. They don't have these 5 compartments for everything anymore, but I like the 5 compartments. I think they are just great to have 5 little surprises inside your little bowl. Well, we're going to start with number 1. Oh, that's pretty tough. And in number 1, we have gotten, oh my goodness, look how cute this is. This is a little Disney princess camera. Super cute and adorable. I don't know if you guys are getting, it may look a little out of focus, but actually the whole packaging is a little out of focus. But that is our first little item, and that is so cute and adorable. Let's go for item number 2. These are tough to pull off. And we got a big item. Oh my, we got Ariel. And isn't she super stunning? She is so beautiful in her mermaid form. I love that red hair. And is this Flounder? I think this is called Flounder, but that's a big one. Doesn't fit on my shelf. So we'll just pop it to the side. Let's, go ahead and open our third in this one. Okay, what is this? Oh, no way. We got a little Mandalorian case. Doesn't open. No, but how cute is this? The child, Grogu, little, I think, like travel case. Let's see, does he fit on our shelf? I think he might. Oh, he fits nicely on our shelf at the bottom. Let's see what else we got. I know that I got a lot of Star Wars and Marvel things in the last one, and they were nice, but I am really hoping for different things this time around. And oh, we got Toy Story. This is super cute. This is a Buzz Lightyear, tiny little Buzz Lightyear. So cute and adorable. There's Buzz inside. He will fit on our shelf. I think we're full. The shelf is full unless we get another shelf. So we are into our last little segment here. Oh, and we got a Star Wars item. This is the checklist. You get here. Checklist is huge. You've got ultra rare, common. And I think everything that I've got so far. So the ultra rare are gold. We've got commons, which all of mine so far are commons. Do we get anything on the back? And these are all just commons. So everything that I've got so far is common. And we've already got the shelf. I wouldn't mind one of the little suitcase bags. I would love one of those. So how adorable are these? Super duper cute. So our last one, got sidetracked. Our last little one is R2-D2 in his little box. This is a huge box for R2-D2, who is stuck right at the back, but obviously he's just half of R2-D2, I guess. So that's our first one. We are going to not waste any time and crack on into our next one. Guys, I love these little mini brands, but I only buy them when they're on offer because they're super duper expensive. I'm really interested in the retro ones that are around at the moment, and also the books. So if I see any of those on offer, I may pick those up, and we can do more of these videos. So again, pop it into the 5 little sections, and we're going to not waste 1 second and go ahead and get this open. Oh, it's a duplicate. That is so sad. I know you're probably going to get duplicates, but I hate them. Hate duplicates. But let's see what else we've got. Let's hope we don't get any more. Oh, we got something new. Oh, we got Lightning McQueen. Oh, and this must be a Lightning McQueen remote control car because you can see the little steering wheel at the back of the car. Lightning McQueen right up front and center. He is adorable. I'm going to pop him on my top shelf alongside Buzz Lightyear. And I think we have 3 more. So, yes, 3. Oh, something new. Yay. Oh my gosh. How adorable is Belle? She is super pretty. We have Belle at the back. Again, I think she's too big for my shelves, so she can sit on this side of R2-D2. And then, let's see what else we got. Oh, we got another princess. We got Cinderella. These are so funny because they look very boxy, square, the figures themselves, but they're still cute and adorable. And we got Cinderella. I'm going to put it there right beside her friend, Belle. And guys, the last one. The last one's weird. Sorry, I could see a little bit through here and I'm going, I wonder what that is. But we're not going to do that. We're going to rip it right open, I think, and get right in. Oh, it looked very big, which is, I think we've got them all. We do. And the last one is, oh, Mickey Mouse. Look at how cute Mickey Mouse is. And he is again in this little remote control car. He is so cute and adorable. And this is what the actual toy looks like. Super cute. Guys, I'm really not unhappy. I don't know if I can get Mickey to sit on the shelf. Oh, I sure can. I'm not unhappy about anything that I got. I'm going to let you guys have a bit of a close-up. Oh, we can't actually zoom. Sorry, guys. Let me see if I can bring you down to give you a bit more of a close-up. Oh, sorry for all the jiggling around. So these are all of the ones that we got and they are adorable. I mean, they're so adorable. I'm loving this stand. And I think my favorite out of these is the little camera and the Grogu right here. They are super duper cute and adorable. Guys, let me know if you have opened these Disney Store ones and if you've got any ultra rare. I've got Star Wars ones. I've got 2 of the Stormtrooper. They're the only ones that I got. But I'm so excited for these little ones. These are absolutely adorable. And this one in particular is quite chunky and big. R2-D2, Belle, Cinderella. I think we've done really, really well in our little bundle. Guys, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I know it's been short, quick, fast, but I really love when you guys leave comments. I will come back and reply to those comments just as soon as I can. And if you guys would kindly subscribe, like, and share this video, I would be forever grateful. I hope to see you next time. In the interim, I hope you have the most amazing day. Please take care and stay safe, and I'm going to catch you next time. Bye.